As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes, then spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. It has been turned inside out since this will be an ice dye. Okay, so this idea popped into my head. I don't know if this is going to work. So this is an extra large in case anyone is interested. I'm going to do a sash style for this. Since it is inside out, doing it backwards, so this would actually be the opposite direction when it's finished. I'm going to do that, then I'm going to go ahead and accordion up the line. Ooh, before I do that, I was going to mark a couple of points. So there we go. Okay. That pulled loose. Guess I lied about the whole not pulling tight thing. Let's try this again. Okay. So let's see if I can do this. I honestly don't know if this is possible. Okay, now this bit right here, I don't know what to do with. That was my concern in my head, thinking through this process of what I was going to do. I think I'm just going to pull it. Let it be like some kind of a, I don't know, what do you call that? The magnetosphere around the Earth, where it's just kind of blowing out. Then we'll do the other side. I'm actually watching my son drive home right now with lunch, so I'm hoping I can finish this before he gets here. Not the whole thing, obviously. Okay, let's take a look at that bottom. That looks okay. That's the side we'll be dyeing from. Alright, I'm going to go eat, and I'll come back to finish this. Okay, let's go ahead and flip this over so I can better see what this is. Trying to decide how far to go from the center. So I think I'm going to stop. Let's see, do I have to have that under tension? Let's mark an inch off of each of these. So that's okay. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So I'm going to dye along the diagonal on this, and it's probably just going to be a rainbow dye. And I plan on stopping where this line is, and whatever flows out from there works its way out. What do you think? We'll see how this works. Off to dye. Okay, I turned it at or pulled it at an angle so that it fits, which means I have to figure out that line. But anyway, colors I'm using are Scarlet, Deep Orange, Lemon Yellow, Bright Green, from Grateful Dye, Seashell Blue, and Power Berry. And everything except for the seashell is from Dharma. So I guess I'll just go ahead and start. We'll let this sit and melt through, then come back and probably do another layer of ice with some soda ash to reinforce it. So I did do a second layer of ice and soda ash. I just didn't get it on camera because I was doing other things at the time and just did it real quick. This has been sitting for over 24 hours, so let's go ahead and pick it up and wash it out. It's really dark up here. Guess we'll see how it turns out. I'll go throw this in the wash. Here we have the front. And the back. Alright, it's still kind of damp, or outright wet. So what do I think? I think this is really dark, and I got the poopy brown, which I don't really care for. This side though, this is kind of cool. I mean, almost it's like a spiral of fire, flames shooting out. I'm not sure. I mean, there's some little spots, that kind of thing. That's, I don't know, kind of interesting there. But I like that, the flaming spiral thing. This, not so much. Let's see, was the back better on that? See, I think the back, okay, hold on. Let me throw that up there. The back looks better on the top part. I think it's better defined. And then the spiral here, I think I like the front one of that. It's different. I don't know if I like it all. So what do you think? How do you think this turned out? Let me know down below. If you have any ideas or suggestions, let me know. I currently have, I think, 2 others that I'm working on for additional videos. I might be doing these weekly for a period of time instead of monthly. Any feedback? Otherwise, like and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching.